You need to watch this if you struggle with getting your ads in front of the right people. Google Ad Manager isn't just for giant corporations. Small business owners can use it too. Let's break down how to set it up in less than 2 minutes. First, sign up for a free Google Ad Manager account. Just head to admanager.google.com and follow the prompts. Google will walk you through the basics. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Start by adding your website as an ad unit. Go to Inventory, click on Ad Units, and then hit New Ad Unit. Give it a name you'll remember, like Homepage Banner, and save. Next, you need to generate ad tags. Think of these as tiny bits of code that tell Google where to put your ads. Copy the ad tag from your ad unit and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the ad to show up. Now set up your first campaign. Go to Orders, then New Order. Fill in the details, pick your ad units, and upload your creatives, the actual ads you want to display. Finally, double-check everything and click Save. That's it. Your ads are now set up to reach more customers, with tracking and reporting built in. Don't let ad tech intimidate you. With Google Ad Manager, even small businesses can compete like the big guys.